Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to start your 7-day free trial with Surfshark. Step 1. See if you qualify. Go to the Surfshark website or mobile app and choose the plan that works best for you. Enter your email address and payment details. You need to be a first-time user for the trial to work. Step 2. Create your account. Fill in your login information to set up your profile. With the free trial, you can use Surfshark on up to 3 devices at the same time. Step 3. Download Surfshark. Install the app on your device and log in with the account you just created. Once you open the app, you can connect to any VPN server and enjoy a private and secure internet connection. Remember, the free trial lasts for 7 days. If you do not want to continue after the trial, make sure you cancel the subscription before the end of the 7 days in your App Store or Google Play settings. If you forget to cancel, you will be charged for the plan you selected. If you want more time to test Surfshark, you can also use the 30-day money-back guarantee. This is available when you purchase directly from the Surfshark website and lets you try the service risk-free for a month. So that is how you start your Surfshark 7-day free trial. Thanks for watching.